Hi everyone. Today I want to share information about a great Drupal 8 module which is called Web Profiler. This module is a submodule of a module Devil, so we can just find it and download it and turn on submodule Web Profiler. We have already done all that. We've already got clean Drupal 8, also enabled module Web Profiler and installed libraries that are described in readme.md, such libraries as G3 and Highlight. We have also done an instruction how to make a timeline. So what next? After enabling this module, a wonderful toolbar appears in the bottom of the page, which gives all information about the page. After you may get to know more about every section. Today I'll show you most interesting for me. So the most interesting for me was this section, where you can see how much time does every function take time while loading the page. Something like this. Also, I was rather interested by the section database, where we have completely all queries to the database during the load of the page. We may also filter by slow query or type of query by selecting this or that field. We also have an information about user that was logged in on this page load. What were the extensions, used configurations, quantity of events we had on the site, what services were enabled during the page load. Also, you have the page of configuration, so we go to configuration, Devil settings, web profiler. Also, you can configure such interesting features like choosing on which pages profiler shouldn't be loaded, what items should be enabled or disabled. A very interesting thing, because, for example, time of the page load and database queries are one of the most interesting issues for me, and many other configurations. We've got the whole list of profiles, so if you are interested in the old one, you can find it and see what was changed and improved just to compare. Good, let's try to do something interesting. I already have a created module and I have done own event subscriber, something like hook in it in Drupal 7. And let's try to make a performance issue of code execution for 3 seconds. And let's try to find why is it so. So let's load our main page. Wait for our toolbar. Here it is. We see that in 3000 and something milliseconds the page is loaded. Now let's comment the code. And let's find the problem. So we've got full stack of functions again. Let's find our issue. That's our class that was loading for the longest time. That's our event subscriber class. So we can see the range of time load. So that's a rather easy way to find a function or a class that influences the performance of the page load. Let's make a really slow database query, and we'll also try to find it. And save. Go to the main page. We have done for a purpose that our select was done in 3 seconds. So the page is loaded. Let's comment. And we see that query time took 6,000 and something milliseconds. Let's see what is our problem. We see the whole list of our queries. So let's find our slow queries. We see that we have 2 queries. we can find them really easily. We have found its duration and location and color function. Now it's easy to solve the problem. I guess it's everything I wanted to share with you today. I think this module will be very popular in Drupal 8 as it gives a lot of interesting information, easy to find performance problems, and to debug any bug. Thanks for your attention. Stay with Sync Drupal. Bye.